this cover off, just use a trim tool, get behind here, pop that up. There's 3 clips that hold that on. This vehicle has manual crank windows. You're gonna need a special tool like this. Slide it in between the little washer and the handle, and you slide it up, and it just pops that clip out. You can pop that clip back on for when you reinstall it. Pop this cover off right here. You can either use a pick, a straight blade screwdriver, or a trim tool. Just slide that off. And there's another cover right here, the same thing. Just use a pick, get underneath. And just pop it out. A couple of clips that hold that on. Take the lock knob off, just use a pick. There's a little retainer right here that you just try to slide it out. Once it's out that far, then you can slide it up. Use a 10mm socket and take the bolt out here, and there's 2 in there behind the handle. Now there's push pins all the way around the perimeter of the door. Just take a trim tool, just get in behind and just pop it out. And when they're all popped out, just slide the panel up and out. And you can take some needle nose pliers, just get behind here. Try to pinch the cable. I'll show you once I get it out. There we go. And it just slides out like that. This little ball slides up. When you're trying to get the cable out, you just pinch these 2 little ears, and then it slides out, and then the ball slides up. Take these 2 bolts off, use a 7mm socket. Then just grab the handle from the other side and yank it off. Take the new one with the little nubs. Those are going to be on the top. Line those up and just push it down. That's good. If this plate came off, line that back up. And put these 2 screws back in. Now line the door panel up. Take a rod, slide the ball in place, and then lock the cable in, just like that. Line the lock rod up. Get the top part of the door panel started. There we go. And that's lined up. Then push it back in, push all the push pins in. Now install the bolts. And the bolts behind the handle. Put the lock button on, just make sure this lock rod is up. Slide it in position and push that little lock tab down. Make sure it works. Put this cover back on. Take this cover, line it up, lock it down, and make sure the handle has the clip in place. Take the little washer that goes on the outside and try to line the handle up the same direction where it was when you took it off. And line this cover up, lock it down.